Last video, I spoke about possibility of failure of complex proximal humerus fracture around shoulder joint in elderly people when fixed with plate and screw. Hence, we cannot subject them to undergo multiple surgeries due to poor bone quality and implant failure. And also, these people will have comorbids like diabetes, hypertension, and cardiac problems, resulting in another challenge for anesthesia. Managing such fractures requires a thoughtful balance between minimizing surgical risk and ensuring good outcomes with a single effective procedure. The Just Unic implant offers a robust solution for such cases when used appropriately. One of my patients had this complex fracture and I used this implant. I have used this implant in many other patients as well. This implant provides excellent fixation and minimizes the risk of revision surgeries. It allows faster recovery and improves the patient's quality of life. This is not a promotional video for Just Unic implant. It is my personal experience where implants are very important in particular type of fractures to give good results. Thank you.